Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what you can legally use. Check whether content is public domain, Creative Commons with allowed reuse, or covered by explicit written permission. Keep proof. Once done, download originals and capture license text or a permission email. This becomes your evidence if a claim appears. Make sure to log dates and source links and prepare to add attribution. Now you're ready for the first upload steps with documentation in hand, so disputes are easier to resolve. You should transform the material so it's not a straight copy. Add commentary, montage, or critique to create new value. At the same time, apply explicit attribution on screen and in the post caption. Name the creator, state the license, and include the source when the license requires it. Once done, set your Facebook post privacy and disable auto-sharing that might trigger broader claims. Make sure to save a private backup of the edited file and the exact caption you'll publish. You now upload using the prepared caption and attach or retain the permission evidence. Post with the attribution you documented. After posting, actively monitor Facebook notifications for copyright claims or monetization flags. Respond quickly if a claim appears. If Facebook removes content, submit a counter notice including your proof and a clear explanation of fair use or license. Keep timestamps and all originals. Troubleshooting tip. If repeated automated
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.